In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download and install PostgreSQL with PostGIS functionality. So first of all, you need to understand that this link you need to put it in your URL, and you'll get this website, and then open a new tab of that, download the installer, and in that one you can actually depend on your machine. If it's 64-bit, you can actually download the latest version of PostgreSQL, and if you're using the MacBook, you can actually use the this tab to download that. So once you click those links, the file will take at least around, maybe depends on your speed of the computer, and I have downloaded already this one, and I can show you how it looks like at the end. It's around 212130 KB size of file, and this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to click it, and it will ask me to allow this app to make change to your device. So now the installation is on the go. So we just put from here the next. There's nothing new to change. And here, if you want to change the directory of your that software, so it's up to you. You can do that. Usually I always try to do other than the C drive, so I'm going in my D drive, and I also already made a folder of Postgres. Then I select that, and then I use this one. And now it is asking me to install all those PostgreSQL, pgadmin4, stack builder, command line tools. So I'm going to add those all. And remember that here, what the password we are going to put it, we need to remember that, and this is the one you need it every time to log in to the system. We're not going to change any port number here. Port number will remain the same on that. So it is now going to install those settings. Setup is now ready to begin installing Postgres on your computer, and it's keep going on, and meanwhile it will take some time. So it takes a bit of time, around 3 to 4 minutes on my computer, based on your computer speed. So this is how it looks like at the end.